Ay, mga video. Mahiya ka pa eh.
Wala ma, mahiya ako. Alam ka, di ako
Ah, hindi naman.
Naka-video yun eh. Ano? Meet mo ako dito.
Ako, men.
Kagili.
Si Tinda.
Hi, I'm a piece of rocket chicken finger. Haha, I'm the one who will be...
Bali mo,
Haha.
Ito, spaghetti.
Yak, sino tumalsik yung laway?
Si Gigi, yak, kadiri mo.
Waki.
Hi, I'm thermometer.
Yak, galing yan sa armpit ni
Ay, galing yun sa armpit ko.
Yeah!
Hindi. Video yan.
Hindi.
Wait.
Picture.
Where's my water?
Water. Water.
Gigi, water.
Please, kanta.
Jin, upload mo.
Ano nga yan? Pati...
Init ang puwet mo.
Isa umutot.
Ano?
Sabi ni Gigi. Sabi ni Gigi.
We're on our show.
Tubig! Hi, this is Waki Teriyaki.
And this is Ruby Pulubi. Welcome to our...
Ouch!
This is Bangit! Abangit! Aray!
Awkward.
Wait lang, may nag-reply. Gigi ba to? Tanga niyo mo ilagay from Gigi.
Oh, nagmumura ka, Ruby, we're on screen!
We're on screen.
On air, 1, 2, 3.
Professional actors and actresses shouldn't...
Shut up.
Shouldn't... I'm not asking for information.
Number 1.
We shouldn't say bad words.
Number 2.
We shouldn't have a boy like
Number
him
3.
in this
A
industry.
boy like him.
Huy!
Huy!
Number 3.
Ito yung O dito.
Number 3, you shouldn't hold this thing because
Nasaan yung ako dito?
may armpit yak.
Number 5.
Excuse me. Wow, ano
People like
wallpaper
her.
to? Palaka.
Should die.
Ang pake mo.
Ano nga paki ko?
Number 5, we shouldn't fight in front of the screen because we are not yet playing.
Ang kasi ko.
Sorry. But knowing all the people around me.
Pasensya na, medyo inubuhan tong...
But actually, everybody knows it. Pero
Sabi
sabi,
those days.
nobody's perfect, sabi ni Hannah Montana. Pero sabi ni Selena Gomez,
Ang sabi niya.
who says you're not perfect? Pero tsaka sabi ni Pink, you are perfect to me. You're
fucking perfect.
perfect.
Hey, you can swear. I swear.
By the moon and the sun.
Ay, upload mo